Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now go to chat icon that is located on bottom. Tap on it and hold on person that you want to pin conversation. Let me hold this one, and here tap on chat and notification settings. Here you will see the option to clear from chat feed, pin conversation, delete chats. As we are here to pin conversation, so tap on it and you have successfully pinned a particular person on Snapchat. In this way you can pin someone on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.